let's come on to talk about why Pay by Bank then. And firstly, it's probably helpful to establish what is Pay by Bank and how does it compare to other payment options. So I'll come to you on this, Matt.
So Pay by Bank is a payment method that allows consumers to pay directly from their bank account without the need to enter card details or open a wallet or even know any necessary information. It came about as it's powered by open banking technology, which was mandated as part of the PSD2 regulations. And as a payment method, it's on a really large growth trajectory. A report actually came out today from Open Banking Limited that showed a 40% year-over-year growth rate. It's still underpenetrated, and we all have really high hopes about how fast the growth is going, but the early signs are there.
Yeah, great. Claire, anything to add on that?
Absolutely. I think, as Matt says, it's a payment method in growth. And like every payment method, we've seen significant trajectory in that growth over time. We all will recall a time when cash was very prevalent, and increasingly we're going into stores and online, obviously, where cash is just not an option anymore. So there's been a huge shift towards digital funds and digital money, and open banking is very much part of that journey. As an acquirer, we could have taken one of two positions. We could have been very frightened about being disintermediated by open banking for eating the revenues and profits that we're able to take from card processing, or we could have embraced it. And part of the philosophy for Ecommpay was to embrace it and to bring it into the stable in order to provide our customers with that wider breadth of choice and to find the right payment methods for the right use case. And I think open banking provides exactly that, particularly to industries where they've traditionally seen very low levels of chargeback or demands for refunds. And so instant funding and the ability to be able to harness funds directly, and as George said earlier, at lower cost, absolutely have been key drivers. And so people like money remitters, other financial technology services, less so in markets such as travel or retail, where again you would see people looking for that chargeback protection or refund mechanism.